Peter Obi sọ̀kò ọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ sí Tinubu ó ní kí Tinubu wá bá ọmọ Nàìjíríà sọ̀rọ̀ kó rí introduce ara ẹ̀ kó wá ṣàlàyé fún wa àwọn ohun tó yẹ ká mọ̀ tá ò mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ kí Tinubu wá sorúkọ ìlú tá a bí sí orúkọ àwọn tó bí primary and secondary school tó lọ àti yunifásitì tó lọ pẹ̀lú àsìkò àti ìgbà tó lọ sí àwọn iléèwé tá a dárúkọ yìí kó sọ bí tó ti ṣe NYSC bó bá jẹ́ wípé ó ti ṣe change of name nígbà kan rí kó jẹ́ ká mọ̀ kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ o nítorí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ fake certificate yìí ti borúkọ Nàìjíríà jẹ́ jìnnà orúkọ tí ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ dáa tààrà tẹ́lẹ̀. The presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 general elections, Peter Obi, during the press conference, has stated that the certificate saga of President Bola Tinubu has further worsened the country's less than glorious image in the world. He called on President Bola Tinubu to come out and clarify the controversy surrounding his identity and academic records at the Chicago State University. Ẹ ò rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ certificate yìí ti dá yẹ̀yẹ́ ńlá lẹ̀ fún gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà. Gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó bá ń lọ sókè òkun báyìí ó gbọ́dọ̀ múra o. Welcome to DIGINAIJA, where we bring you the latest stories. Remember to like, share and follow us. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ certificate yìí ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọmọ school kan ni, a jẹ́ pé ọmọ school yẹn á gba suspension tàbí kí wọ́n lé e dànù níbi tó bá ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ àbí school tó bá wà tó ti parọ́ pé òun ní certificate tí ò sì ní certificate. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé bírú àbùkù báyìí bá kan àwọn president kan ní Europe wọ́n á ti máa pèrò àti resign tàbí kí wọ́n tiẹ̀ ti resign tipẹ́. Nígbà tó dẹ̀ ti wá rí báyìí àfi kí President Tinubu wá ṣàlàyé ní pẹrẹwu àwọn ohun tó yẹ ká mọ̀ àwọn ohun tó ń dá họ́wùhọ́wù sílẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ certificate wọn nítorí wọ́n ní ẹnu oníkan láti ń gbọ́ pọ̀n. Peter Obi fọ̀rọ̀ ránṣẹ́ rẹpẹtẹ sí Tinubu ẹ já gbọ́.
This protracted embarrassment and undue anxiety. Even in this late in the day, however, Chief Ahmed Bola Tinubu still owes the nation and the world a simple debt of obligation only he can discharge. I therefore respectfully and humbly call on him to immediately and personally mount the rostrum of his present high office to perform a simple task once and for all time. He should reintroduce himself to the nation he governs and to the world for avoidance of further doubt. He should let the world know his name, his nationality, his place of birth, his parentage, the primary and secondary school he attended with dates, as well as the actual universities he attended and certificates obtained. He should indicate clearly where and when he did his national youth service. In addition, if at any time he had a change of name, he should state so clearly and circumstance that his name itself is no crime. This is a simple task that will take only few minutes. It requires no affidavit, prolonged court process, spokesperson, agents or surrogates. The task is one that only Chief Bola Tinubu himself, through a direct personal statement, can perform. He must perform this task urgently in order to lay to rest, once and for the last time, the many lingering doubts and valid speculation about his true identity. A leader cannot outsource a clear, unambiguous personal statement about his identity to political surrogates, official spokespeople, lawyers, or any other person, no matter how highly placed. A matter of personal identity of a leader is too sensitive and central to the function of the office he currently occupies to be trifled with, outsourced, or disguised under the cloak of officialdom. It is about integrity, morality, values, and the rule of law that defines the character of a nation and its people. In his present capacity as a leader of a nation of over 200 million Nigerians. His true identity is a matter of grave national and international interest. The people deserve to know with certainty the true identity of their leader, and this overrides whatever rights he may have to personal privacy. In addition, the international community deserves to know the true identity of the person with whom they will engage on Nigeria.
ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti wá dohun tó máa affect gbogbo ọmọ nàìjíríà pátápátá tó bá ń travel àtàwọn tó wà lókè òkun nítorí pé lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí kò sẹ́ni tí ó gbà wọ́n gbọ́ mọ́ o pẹ̀lú ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí number 1 president ti nàìjíríà tó jẹ́ giant of Africa kò sẹ́ni tó máa gba identity wọn mọ́ bí wọ́n bá sọ pé báyìí làwọn jẹ́ àwọn òyìnbó ní láti tún lọ verify ni o nítorí ohun tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nítorí pé wọn ò mọ̀ wípé kò ń ṣe gbogbo ọmọ nàìjíríà ló ní ọ̀rọ̀ certificate issue. Uninformed outsiders will now see every Nigerian as a fraudster, certificate forger and identity thief. ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àti ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ náà ni Peter Obi fi ránṣẹ́ sí Tinubu pé àsìkò tó Tinubu wá ṣe ohun tó tọ́ ká lè ní ìdàgbàsókè nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. ṣé ẹ wá rò pé bọ́rọ̀ ṣe ń lọ yìí ṣé President Tinubu lè resign lórí irú ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí àbẹ́ rò pé President wa lè jáde láti sọ kúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ sàtífíkẹ́ẹ̀tì yìí nípa orúkọ wọn bí tá a bí wọn sí primary àti secondary school wọn àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. kí lè ròyìn? Drop your comment, like, share and follow us. This is DIGINAIJA. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.